Hello everyone, this is going to be a series of videos, quick little tips on using different things in Coreldraw. And today for video one, we're just going to start here with the pick tool. I'm going to show you what the pick tool is for. Pick tool selects, position, reform, and transforms objects. So got my pick tool selected, and I'm going to select whatever image I want or whatever text I want. Object, and that's going to put these little squares around it. Now if I click that again, you see that changes. I get this little curve here, so I can select that and I can curve that up and go back. I can go to the left and that'll skew the text or whatever it is you're working on, backwards and forwards. I can also go here and pull this and get a nice even angle with that. So this first tip is on the pick tool, and the pick tool is very, simple to use, but that's the pick tool. And you also have free pick that does stuff like this. You've got a free transform, so you can go in and play with it. I'm just holding my mouse down and I just select anywhere on here and do things with it. So I'm just doing this stuff with my mouse with the pick tool. This is the Coreldraw pick tool. Thanks for watching.